Welcome back. This is all about different scientists. First one, Robert May. Robert May, he gave an estimate of global species diversity, which was about 7 million. A will match with 3. A3 is in 2 and 4. Next, B will be either 1 or 4. B is Humboldt. Humboldt is related with the concept of species area relationship. So B is 1. So this is the NCERT reference. So more than 1.5 million, this is the number of plants which are documented, known, plants and animals, the total species diversity on Earth that are reported. So Robert May proposed the global species diversity to be around 7 million. This graph is species richness versus area observed by German naturalist Humboldt. And he observed that the species richness, it increases, but then it also plateaus after some time. The same equation, it is represented in log scale. It gives a straight line. Okay, you will have to by heart each and everything. S represents species diversity. C is the y-intercept. A is area. And Z is the slope, which in turn gives the regression coefficient. Now, Rivet-Popper hypothesis was an effort by Paul Ehrlich to make you understand the importance of each and every species for the integrity of ecosystem. So he gave an analogy of comparing the ecosystem with aeroplane and each and every species with rivets. Now, rivets are the nuts and bolts. They help in the integrity of the aeroplane. So if we keep on removing the rivets, eventually we will compromise the integrity of aeroplane. The same is applicable for ecosystem. We don't know which species is crucial for the integrity of entire ecosystem. And there is a possibility that extinction of one species can bring down the whole ecosystem and cause extinction of entire species on Earth. And finally, Tillman's experiment on outdoor plots was, the higher the biodiversity in a given plot, the greater will be productivity. So in farming, we have seen that we tend to grow only wheat on the land or only rice. But his observation was, if we have diversity in the field, it will in turn contribute to higher productivity, because some or the other plant will have something to offer to our crop of interest.